Hello YouTube, I'm David with the David West channel. I usually have a pretty good intuition about what will fire roll and what won't. I think we should try some of this green bull thistle in the yard. Yes, we just had this yard sodded last year and there's several places that are growing bull thistle. Here's a good healthy looking one. I'm going to try 2 of these leaves. Cotton ball. Look at all the moisture coming out of it already. Let that moisture bleed out of there. If you don't see smoke, go back and roll it some more. Well, now that we have all the moisture out of it, let's go ahead and fire roll the fire roll. Fire rolling the fire roll. Makes sense. The first fire roll extracted most all of that moisture out of there, and then it was able to ignite in the second fire roll. Let's try this again with less leaf. I see smoke. Let's see if it's gonna develop into an ember. Nope. I'm happy with that ignition. Let's go ahead and get the flames. Shake that dust down in there around that fire roll. Alright y'all, do me a favor, before you leave my channel, please subscribe, hit the notification bell, and in that drop down list, select all, and do give the video a like. I appreciate you joining me on this one. We'll catch you on the next one.